So very quickly, for those of you asking how you can do P2P on Bybit or Bitget, what you need to do is first of all you open your app, whichever one you are using, then try and locate P2P. Okay, you try and locate. My own has been set here by me. It's possible you will have to look for your own. Okay, under, let's say, withdraw. Okay, it's not here, but just come back here, just click on this more, whether it is Bybit or Bitget, just click here, this more, and then you have access to p2p trading. That's the first thing. So you go ahead and open it. By the time you open it, what you will discover is that you have the option of buying or selling. Okay, you can either buy or you can either sell. In your case this time around, it will be to sell. So how you do that? You click on the sell tab, right, and then you wait for it to load. After it loads, you should note that your denomination is denominated in naira. Maybe the currency is denominated in naira or donated in naira, right? Then you are also after selling USDT. Let me go back a bit. Yeah, you're after selling USDT. Okay, now what you should do is by the time you click on sell and then everything shows up like this, you go ahead and use the filter, right? And then you will use the payment method and amount, and then the filter. So first of all, you open p2p trading, go to under sell. If you want to sell, make sure it's on USDT. Then you now use three of these items. So how do you do that? Let's start with filter. So we're going to filter out. I'll click on it. Okay, I'm going to filter out to only show verified advertisers, meaning Bybit have confirmed them, right? And then I'm also going to only show eligible ads, and then I'll click on confirm, right? When I do this, it's going to filter out a lot of people out. Okay, so it will reduce the chances of scammers, because what you have left with is you'll be seeing the percentage of order completion. Are you seeing 98, 99, 95, right? So that's why you are filtering those people out. Then okay, let's assume what you have to exchange is $40. Okay, let's assume it's $40, and then let's assume that the exchange rate is 1.5. Let's just assume, so 60,000, right? Yeah, so 60,000. So what you should do is under this amount here, put 60,000. Then under this filter, make sure it is bank transfer. Of course, before this time, you must have also set your account number in the app in case somebody wants to pay you. How do you do that? You set it up in this place. Okay, so amount 60,000, right? Then you click on confirm. Okay, are you seeing now that it has filtered out a lot of people? I am now seeing people who are willing to sell, for instance, from 20,000 to 500,000, from 30,000 to 14 million, right? 50,000 to 473,000. Okay, so you see that all this filter is removing people that are going to stress you normally, right? Then the next one is payment method. Make sure you use bank transfer, or if you have a preferred payment method, maybe you want them to pay to your OP, then you can select OP. Okay, you can select OP. Normally I just use bank transfer, but I'm very cautious of these guys. I'm very conscious of PalmPay, guys, because a PalmPay user can edit his transaction history according to what I've seen. I don't know whether it has changed, right? So you can decide either one you want to use. Okay, but normally I just go with bank transfer, which is this guy. This guy, bank transfer. All right, so I'll click on it, turn off my brush, click on the bank transfer and confirm. So after you confirm, right, so everything is now set for you. Then you can now go ahead and choose whoever you want to sell to. How do you do that? You also check for when last the exchanger was online. This guy is online presently. This guy was online a minute ago. Online, online, online. So then you notice they have all these verified stuff on their names, right? So I am just saying. So you can now decide, okay, this is the person I want to sell to. For instance, I want to sell to this person, this guy, this Sammy J or Simj, because the person looks like he has liquidity. He's taking between 50k, between 50,000. Person is taking between 50,000 to 473,000 naira. That's the order range he is willing to take in, and then his percentage of order completion is 99%, which is close to perfect, right? And the person has completed close to 3,000 orders. You see that? Then you can now go ahead, click on it. For the purpose of maintaining the person's security and privacy, I'm not going to click on the person's name, okay? So that the account details and the rest doesn't show. Remember, we are trading lightly in Nigeria, okay, concerning things related to crypto. So I will not click on the person's name. So with that, you can just click on the person. Then you see the account number of the person if you are the one buying. But if you are the one selling, the account number that you set in this place, the account number you set in this place, right? I'll click on it. Okay, this is orders. I'll go back. These three dots, right? uh My ads. Let's just go to my ads or user center. One of the two will now help you to add your account number. Okay, not my ads, but just make use of the tab, explore the tab. You see payment method. Okay, you just explore the tab. Okay, right. So with that said, that's all for this video. I will try and blur out the person's detail, but that's all for this video, and good luck.